How's that working?
And what's all that about?
Is that working? Yeah.
Yeah, we're on.
Oh, is it? We're going now.
We're on. Yeah. Shut up, bird.
So who was that then? The Buzzcocks, wasn't it? Ever fall in love with somebody you shouldn't have fallen in love with?
That's the one.
That's going out to Simon, the station manager, because he's always falling in love. Every week he's falling in love with someone.
Yeah, but he hasn't got a bird anymore. I've got one behind me.
Yeah, but Mike, tell me how many blokes don't know that you've got to take the lid off a Frey Bentos pie before you put
I have no idea.
So that's where that falls down.
Yeah, there you go. Isn't it? It's like.
So come on, who's on your bedpost this time? How many notches you got for this week?
Come on, tell us all about it.
This week, I've got a few vacancies actually. So if you'd like to come down and listening to this show,
yawn.
You know, everyone. If you form an orderly queue, everyone will be seen to at some point.
Is that
you're finding wandering about,
mate. Whatever.
Shut up, bird.
Try anything once.
Well,
you'll find him wandering about in Asda if you need to see Simon.
Yes.
He pushes an empty trolley about.
Do you want me to tell you why I do it? I go around with the meal for once, and I look for all the single women, and I bump into him. I go, oh, that's nice. And then it's just start conversation.
Well, they never take you on, Simon. That's the best bit.
They don't, Mike. They don't, but it doesn't matter.
You've got to keep away from them when you're with a walking stick and a guy.
You know, with the Zimmer frames and that. You got to forget the women with the Zimmer frames.
Well, that's where the banning order comes in.
The easy ones.
Anyway, fuck off. Here's the next one.
You got any structure to the show today?
Yeah, talking about you.
Personality changes behind her and smile. Every problem brings a stranger inside. Hopelessly forcing on the morning disguise. Christine, the strawberry girl. Christine, banana split lady. Christine, the strawberry girl. Christine, banana split lady. Lost in my world, this big-eyed girl sees her face is unfurled. Now she's in purple, now she's a turtle. Disintegrating Christine, the strawberry girl. Christine, banana split lady. Christine, the strawberry girl. Christine sees her face is unfurled. Disintegrating Christine, 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 the strawberry girl. Christine, banana split lady. Christine, the strawberry girl. Christine sees her face is unfurled.
Ascension.
Hello, we're back. We're back.
We're back on again.
Yeah, we're back on again. Ascension.
Attention.
Ascension.
Or detention.
No, detention.
That's when he's going detention centre.
Did you go to DC, man?
I've not. I was a good lad. I went to a Catholic school and all that. I was an altar
Fucking
boy.
hell, I done Borstal and everything, you know.
It's going to be a... Would you boss?
Rewind.
I was going to ask you something and I forgot I was
No,
going to ask you.
that's what it was. It was about Hooker.
Aye, Peter Hook, yeah, what's all this?
Yeah, you remember?
Bollocks,
Do you remember when we asked him to just to show his face?
Yeah.
Remember? Shut up, bird.
Yeah, and what did he say when we said that?
But I don't know who you are.
You've never heard of TNT?
I know, yeah. We're the least in the world.
Yeah, we've seen a DJ set somewhere, the legendary Peter Hook, Resurrection on 6th of February, I believe it is.
Yeah, anyway. We asked him just to show his face, just to big us up.
This was at the Crescent, wasn't it?
That's right, yeah.
When we used to do
when we very first got the Crescent, it was, wasn't it? No, it was Punk Weekend, wasn't it?
Punk Weekends, yeah, when we had all them punk bands on.
Yeah, the first Punk Weekend.
Trying to get him back to his roots and come and show his face, like, remember?
Yeah. Anyway, thanks, Peter.
So anyway, what he's done now is Simon's... Soul Simon's...
Carry on, sorry.
Carry on, I've not seen it.
No, carry on.
Well, he stole Simon's Sounds of Salford, what do you call that?
Name.
Logo.
Name kind of thing, yeah.
No way.
Yeah, he's put it under his banner. Resurrection of the Sounds of Salford. We're the fucking Sounds of Salford, okay?
Yeah, well, hey, listen up.
Should we sue him?
Yeah?
Should we do him, mate?
Yeah,
Go
find him.
Just find him.
Somebody in America...
Actually...
In America must know.
Right, now, there's something else I've got to say here, right? There's a thingy coming up. A Joy Division tribute thing coming up very shortly. Big thing it is. I'm filming it.
Where's this?
Yeah.
Get a grip of him now and tell him.
He can fuck off.
Tell him we've seen our ass with him. Okay,
no.
Just get in touch with us. If you want to use it, and ask.
I know.
You know, throw some money at these local bands like we do.
Yeah. Hey, we're forever doing it. Are we not?
We do it for the love of our art, okay.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to put a Joy Division track on. Here we go. Are you ready? There we go.
It's on Facebook.
Mother, I tried to believe me.
That was Joy
Isolation.
Division. Yeah, Isolation, wasn't it, Mark?
It was.
Now, going back to anyway, okay, get in touch with us and we'll put you all over at radio. Right.
We'll do him a favour.
Yeah, we'll do you a favour this time. But you better start doing us a favour. That's my bird in the background. Yeah, the whistling at me, she was, man. Anyway, what we're going to put on next, Mark?
I've got no idea.
Don't know. What's he doing over there?
I've got no idea.
Stop playing with yourself. Playing with your computer.
I'm writing to okay.
Oh, right, aye.
Okay, we're an online station called the Sounds of Salford, like what's underneath your latest flyer. We promote local bands and are pretty big in Salford.
No, we're the biggest.
The thing is, you won't need to read that email now because you just shouted it out to him anyway.
What?
A big shout out there to okay.
Yeah, right. Shut up, bird.
Right,
all right. Well, I think we're going to have this on next. Yeah, that's right, darling.